Okay, alright. Katilaga ko. Um, Good day to everyone. It's currently 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon. So, I don't know why ako nagaganto kasi gusto kong kumaga express sarili ko and like keep track of like how am I doing physically, mentally, emotionally, and like I think this is a very good idea. And like pag kasi kinakausap ko yung sarili ko through screen, and like it's like I'm forgetting everything. It's like I feel okay and I feel good. So like yeah, I just keep doing this until I get better. So, for today, wala tong kwenta, wala akong agenda, bigla lang ako nag-video kasi I got the urge and I can do it, so why not? So, um, update, kakatapos ko lang umiyak at mag-breakdown at saka gumawa ng notes. Tapos, di ba, productive tayo? So, ganun ang naging cycle ko kanina. Iyak ako, notes, libo, TikTok, iyak, yun nga, tingin sa photos, then, but, yeah, it's fine. So, um, I've come to the realization na, actually marami ako realization, like, ang nakaka-fascinate kasi sa akin guys, kaya kong, mag, mag-reflection, na hindi ko alam kasi reflection talaga siya, parang like, alam ko, but like, I'm doing nothing about it. Siguro, hindi yung isang reason. So like, yun nga, first one is, kasi July and August has been like, very tough sa akin, sa kanya, to us, to our relationship. And so like, Um, okay, I can't say that it's getting better. Actually, slight naman kasi mas, like, I don't know, it's just getting worse pala. Yeah, day by day kasi it's like a dam, that's like full and like, yeah, it's a dam that couldn't hold the water anymore and like, it's cracking and like malapit na talaga sa verge. So like ayoko mapunta sa ganun. So like I'm doing the best that I can to not bother her and like to not beg. Actually, of course, I want us to be together kasi like I don't see any reason why we should separate. I mean, for her, syempre kasi wala naman ako sa posisyon niya. Hindi ko alam yung mga silent battles and like mga things na ini-endure niya while kami. So for maybe me, it's okay. Maybe I can endure it. For her, it's not. And I understand it for that. So like that's the reason then why I I can manage na hindi maging kami. For the meantime. Alam mo, ayun nga kasi yung pang-gaslight ko sa sarili ko na like, oo, soon, magiging okay din kami. Soon, paraging ganun eh. Pero like, oo nga, ganun nga. So like, di ba ginagaslight ko sarili ko? Like, pero like, eventually, like, mga 2 days, 3 days after yun, magiging okay na kami. So like, mawawala din ng purpose. Yung like, the whole thing is just keeping, okay, bye. Wait lang, kakatat ko. Nani! Oh, lalabas ako. Tignan natin. Wait lang, pause ko lang. So, yeah, tuloy ako kasi hindi pumasok sa atin. So, yun nga, kasi nga, I never learned my lesson. She I don't know, hindi ko alam kung ano tumatakbo sa isipan niya. Ayoko mag-create ng assumptions, like, just because I know her. Yeah, I do know her, but like, not all the time I know what's running on her mind. And not all the time I can understand her. Like, empathize what she's feeling. Yeah, we're partners, right? Ex-partners now, actually, but it's like, yun nga, I can't be with her like palagi. Like sometimes you just need space and like be yourself and reflect and shit. And so yun nga, 'di ba nga pag nagkakaroon kami ng problem, naayos din namin. And like, yun na, okay na kami. But like, hindi talaga nasa-settle yung main problem that we both need space. She needs space, our relationship space, I need space. And I think, ito na talaga, boy. Hindi ako mag-video journal for wala. So like, bukas pupunta ako sa kanila. But like, I know, alam mo purpose nun. Kasi, syempre, gusto ko siya makikita. Gusto ko magpahinga. Kasi feel ko, hoy, wait lang. So, yun nga, pupunta ako sa kanila tomorrow and like, super excited ako and like, bro, gusto ko pupunta ngayon na eh, kaso like, hindi pwede kasi may visiting hours. Pero yun nga, tomorrow, pupunta ako sa kanila, then, wala, makikitulog ako. Gusto ko kasi magpahinga with her and like, feel ko, doon ko talaga maatin yung natong recharge and pahinga and like, wala lang, para make things lighter din sa aming dalawa. Kasi naman, syempre, ayokong like mag-end kami ng bad trip. So, hindi ko pupush. Feel ko, alam kong lalambot siya, but hindi ko iti-take advantage yun. Alam kong she'll get soft sa akin, and like, maybe, magiging okay kami, gano'n, pwedeng gano'n, but syempre, girl, this time, I'm not gonna commit the same mistake again by like, it's like heart over brain. So, this time, it's brain over heart. So, like, it's for the heart naman. Yung ginagawa ng brain ko, it's for the heart. So, like, if it's for the future, it's for us. So, like, yun nga, pupunta ako sa kanila, but, like, hindi ako mag-initiate ng comeback. And, like, I probably won't talk about it. I'll try my best not to talk about it. Kasi I don't wanna ruin the atmosphere and the mood. And, like, I don't wanna trigger her again. Cause lately, she's just, she's vulnerable than, like, me. Like, easily triggered, And, like, I don't want that for her. So, like, gusto ko good vibes na tomorrow. Baka mag-piano tayo sa manood kami ng movie. So, yeah. And, like, if ever na, like, she'll take me back. Which is so fucking impossible. But, hindi natin alam kung ano pwede mangyari. So, if ever na gano'n, sabihin ko sa kanya, dinidaydream ko na nga yung kanina, puta. Sabi ko, kinakausap ko sarili ko, sabi ko, don't take me back, gano'n, chuchuchu, we need this for us, gano'n. Guys, baliw na talaga ako. Pero totoo nga, if ever nga, maging okay ulit, which is 50-50 ako. Pero sana, maging okay, but not that okay na magkakabalikan kami. But like, rather sa aming dalawa. So, yeah, kasi vulnerable siya, clouded siya. So, we can't really push things right now. But, kasi, so, tomorrow, dadala ko na siya Jollibee, Pianotas movie, papahinga, and like, maybe, chikahan, ganun, debriefing ng mga bagay. But, like, not that thing, not our relationship, but, like, siguro, small parts, but, like, not to fix it. Because it's, for now, just, we really need a break. That's the word itself. Yun ang kailangan namin. Hindi fixation. We need a break. We need to grow individually as a person. And if ever that she drifts away from me, which is sobrang sakit naman, but if it's for her own good and for her own growth, then I am more than willing to just watch her from far away if ganon. I am more than willing to like set back and set my boundaries sa kanya. But yeah, I'm just hurt kasi ganun yung nangyayari sa amin. Like, we were okay. Like, puta na pinag-anniversary lang ata kami. Tapos tarantadong July, to ganyan na yung bunga. Tapos pati August. Ano pa sa October, diba te? Pero yun nga, wow, 7 minutes. Kung ako wala akong phone, tapos, I mean, like, TikTok lang ako, baka nayak na naman ako. So, like, very good shit talaga to. So, yun nga, again, I hope things will be okay for the both of us, and I hope na kayanin namin na like, to endure the pain and like, all of the shits na, uncomfortable shits, the void, everything, the heaviness, all the shit, sana ma-endure namin parehas, and I will still be there for her. Like, she could always run to me. I will always accept her with open heart. This because this isn't about like this isn't about like for what she did na, like, it's because I love her. That's the thing. Kasi they are underestimating love. So okay, going 9 minutes. Hindi ko to pinapatagal. Ito yung mga niyap ko sa utak ko na kailangan kong i-release. Kasi kapag ganito yan, kapag ito, niyap ko, like, hindi ko siya niyap. Parang, diba, gano'n, nakaupo ako sa gaming chair, like, sa kama ko. So, ganun lang ako. Alam mo, mangyayari yan, iyak ako, gulgul ako. But this is a positive way of, like, accepting that we need a separation. We need a break. Ano bang space ang gusto mo? Gusto ba yung Milky Way Galaxy? Joke lang. Pero yun nga, again, turning 10 minutes, I'll probably end this na. And I will probably make a video again later. But who cares, right? So, first day was quite, I don't know, still tough. Because, hurts. And may nakita ko sa account niya. Pero hindi lang yun. Kasi may nakita ko na sila ni Sandro ng saya-saya na nag-story pa siya nung ganon. Tapos like, later afterwards, bro, Ganun yung nangyari. Putang ina ko, ganun na lang. Sana nasalpok na lang talaga. O, joke lang. I'm gonna keep myself healthy and I need to be good. Yeah, goodbye. This is me ending this video during #1. Bye-bye.